I was in the toilet in NCPA, I hear some sounds coming out very beautifully. Then I went inside and I saw they were singing so nicely. And so well they have sung. It was very nice, wonderful. I felt that our choir is not that much nice.
My name is Kimberly Pinto. Okay, I'm 10 years of age and I go to Apostolic Carmel High School, Bandra West, Mumbai. Well, I get up at 6 in the morning and I do these breathing exercises, which is also part of your singing, your breath control. And then after that, I do a bit of karate exercises, which of course I need to do to keep my body fit.